Hello students, today we will solve question number 4 to 7 of exercise 3.2 of standard 10th math. Here in question number 4, which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. In first part, equations are x plus y equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y equal to 10. These equations in standard form can be written as x plus y minus 5 equal to 0 and 2x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. Here find the value of a1 upon a2, that is equal to, here coefficient is 1 and 2, so here 1 upon 2. Then b1 upon b2 is equal to also 1 upon 2, and c1 upon c2 equal to minus 5 upon minus 10, that is equal to 1 by 2. Hence a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. So it is the condition for the coincident line. So the pair of linear equation is consistent. Now it is consistent, so we have to find the solution of it. Now the three solutions for equation 1 and 2 are listed below. Here x equal to 0, 2 and 5, and here for equation number 1 y is equal to 5 minus x. So here we find the value of y equal to 5, 3 and 0. So the points are 0, 5, 2, 3 and 5, 0. Plotting the points and joining these points on a graph paper, we have a single line. That is, both lines for equation 1 and 2 are coincident. So the pair of linear equation have infinitely many solutions. Here plotting the point on a graph paper, here we have 0, 5, then 2, 3 and 5, 0. These 3 points are same for equation number 2 also. So we have shown only one table here. So here it is a straight line and both the lines for both equations coincide on each other. So it has infinitely many solutions because all points of both equations coincide on each other. So we have infinitely many solutions. In second part, equations are x minus y equal to 8 and 3x minus 3y equal to 16. Here in standard form it is x minus y minus 8 equal to 0 and 3x minus 3y minus 16 equal to 0. Here a1 upon a2 equal to 1 upon 3 and b1 upon b2 equal to minus 1 upon minus 3, that is equal to 1 upon 3, and c1 upon c2 equal to minus 8 upon minus 16, that is equal to 1 upon 2. Hence here a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, that is not equal to c1 upon c2. So the pair of linear equation is inconsistent. It has no solution. So here we have not to find the solution and we have not to plot its points on graph paper. In third part, equations are 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. It is in the standard form. So here a1 upon a2 equal to 2 upon 4, that is equal to 1 by 2, and b1 upon b2 equal to 1 upon minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 upon 2, and c1 upon c2 equal to minus 6 upon minus 4, that is equal to 3 upon 2. So here a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. So the pair of linear equation is consistent and it has a unique solution. Now here we have to plot the points and we have to find the solution graphically. So here table is given for equation number 1, x equal to 0, then y equal to 6 minus 2x, that is here equal to 6. Then for x equal to 2 we have y equal to 2. For x equal to 3 we have y equal to 0. So the points are 0, 6, 2, 2 and 3, 0. For equation number 2 the points are here x equal to 0, 2, 3 and y equal to 2x minus 2. We have here value of y equal to minus 2, 2 and 4. So the points are 0, minus 2, 2, 2 and 3, 4. Plotting these points on a graph paper and joining the points of each equation, we get two lines intersecting at a point 2, 2. Here the solution is common. So it is the solution. So the pair of linear equation has a unique solution, that is x equal to 2 and y equal to 2. The graphical solution of the third part is shown here. The points are 0, 6, 2, 2 and 3, 0. For equation number 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0, and points for second equation 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 is here 3, 4, 2, 2 and 0 minus 2. So here both lines intersect at point 2 2. So it is the solution. Now in fourth part, equations are 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0 and 4x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. So here a1 upon a2 equal to 2 upon 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. And b1 upon b2 equal to minus 2 upon minus 4, that is also equal to 1 by 2. And c1 upon c2 equal to minus 2 upon minus 5, that is equal to 2 upon 5. So here a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 and not equal to c1 upon c2. So the pair of linear equation is inconsistent. Now in question number 5, half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimension of the garden. So here you have to find length and width. Let the length be x and width be y. So according to question, the condition is length means x is equal to 4 meter more than width. That is x equal to y plus 4. So it is equal to x minus y equal to 4. It is equation number 1. Now the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus width. So here 2 into x plus y, that is equal to 2 into half perimeter, because here half perimeter is given. So here we have total perimeter 36 into 2. Now dividing by 2 on both sides, we have x plus y equal to 36. It is equation number 2. Now we have to find the solution of these two equations graphically. So we have to find 3 points, means 3 solution of the equation 1 and 2. Here for equation number 1, x is 10, 20 and 30, y equal to x minus 4. So here we have y 6, 16 and 26. So the points are 10, 6, 20, 16, 30, 26. For equation number 2, we have points 10, 26, 20, 16 and 36. Plotting these points on graph paper and joining the points of each equation, we get 2 lines intersecting at point 20, 16, which is shown in the graph paper. Here on the graph paper, points are shown here on x-axis. Here we have taken 1 centimeter equal to 2 unit. On y-axis, here also we have taken 1 centimeter equal to 2 unit. So here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on 32. Here also we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and up to 28. So here the points are 10, 6, means here 10 and 6. Then 20, 16. Then 30, 26. So joining these points, we have a straight line for equation number 1, that is x minus y equal to 4. Similarly for second equation, we have points 10, 26, then 20, 16 and 36. Joining these points, we have another straight line for equation number 2, x plus y equal to 36. Both these lines intersect each other at point 20, 16. So it is the solution of the pair of equation. So here the value of x is equal to 20 and y equal to 16. So the solution of the equation is x equal to 20 and y equal to 16, and length of rectangular garden is 20 meter and width is 16 meter. In question number 6, given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0, write another linear equation in 2 variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is, in first part, intersecting lines. As we know that for this condition, means intersecting lines, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. So here a1 is 2 and b1 is 3. So here we have 2 upon a2 is not equal to 3 upon b2. So the intersecting line with given equation is 3x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. And for parallel lines, the condition is a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. So here 2 upon a2 is equal to 3 upon b2 and not equal to 8 upon minus 8 upon c2. Hence the parallel line with given equation is 2x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Here ratio should not be equal. And for third part, coincident lines. For this condition, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, that is equal to c1 upon c2. And here it is 2 upon a2 equal to 3 upon b2 equal to minus 8 upon c2. Here the lines are coincident, so we have the another line by multiplying by any real number in equation 1. So the coincident line with given equation is 4x plus 6y minus 16 equal to 0. Here we have multiplied the equation 1 by 2. So we have the coincident line 4x plus 6y minus 16 equal to 0. Now in 7th question, draw the graph of the equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and set the triangular region. Here equation number 1 is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and equation number 2 is 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Three solutions of each equation is listed below. Here for equation number 1, x is equal to 0, 2, 4 and y here will be equal to x plus 1. So putting the value of x, we get y equal to 1, 3 and 5. So the points are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. For equation number 2, here y is equal to 12 minus 3x upon 2. So here for x equal to 0, y will be 6. For x equal to 2, y is 3. And for x equal to 4, y is 0. So the points are 0, 6, 2, 3, 4, 0. Plotting these points on a graph paper and joining points for each equation, we get two lines intersecting at point 2, 3. Here the graph is shown. The points for equation number 1 is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. It is equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Here it is a straight line. Similarly for equation number 2, that is 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. The points are 0, 6, 2, 3 and 4, 0. So here it is also a straight line. And these two lines are intersecting at point 2, 3. So it is the solution of the pair of equation. So here x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 is the solution. Now we have to find the vertices of the points which is made by these two lines, and x-axis is point A, B and C. Here the coordinate of point A is 2, 3 and coordinate of point B is minus 1, 0 and point C is 4, 0. So here it is written as the points A, 2, 3 and line intersected x-axis at point B equal to minus 1, 0 and C 4, 0. Hence the coordinates of the vertices of triangle ABC are 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 4, 0. And the area of the triangle ABC is shown here by shaded portion, triangle ABC. So here we have completed the exercise 3.2. Now we will solve the exercise 3.3 in next video.